Platteville it was cloudy and 38 degrees. At Lone Rock it was cloudy and it was 39. At the Dells light snow was falling. The temperature was 34. At Milwaukee, the National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a snow squall warning for southeastern Fond du Lac County in east central Wisconsin, southeastern Columbia County in south central Wisconsin, northeastern Dane County in south central Wisconsin, northern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, northern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 7:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:45 p.m. Central Standard Time, a dangerous snow squall was located along a line extending from near Waupun to Waunakee, moving southeast at 45 miles an hour. Hazard: poor visibility in heavy snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 40 miles an hour. Source: radar and webcams. Impact: dangerous life-threatening travel. This includes the following highways: Interstates 90 and 94. Interstate 41. Locations impacted include Madison, West Bend, Sun Prairie, Watertown, Beaver Dam, Hartford, Monona, Lake Mills, Mayville, Slinger, Columbus, Kewaskum, Marshall, Horicon, Waterloo, Juneau, Cottage Grove, Johnson Creek, Deerfield, and Shorewood Hills. Reduce your speed and turn on headlights. During snow squalls, the visibility may suddenly drop to near zero in whiteout conditions. Roadways will quickly freeze. Black ice will cause roads, bridges, and overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for sudden loss of traction.